Platinum this week has risen in value, and we can see what has happened. The price has closed the previous week like this one, forming a bullish breakout, as validated, where the price did not go back down, continued to rise in value on a Monday, and then formed on a Wednesday a bullish breakout above 945.37, bullish breakout on a Thursday above 966.39, bullish breakout again on a Friday above 985.84. This breakout was shared also on the 4-hour time frame with the traders inside the traded community, where they get also the daily analysis on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame when the breakout happens, and also with the potential target where the price is heading. Now the week has closed as a weekly bullish candle where the price formed a strong bullish breakout. We can see that above 966.39, and currently it is stopped just in between this resistance and support. Monthly time frame currently shows us it is a bullish candle, but we have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so this candle look could change, and it will change until the month closes, where we can see the next resistance, very important on the monthly time frame, is 1033.42. Will the price manage to reach this one? It will see on the weekly and the daily. For now, the weekly shows there is a potential that the price will continue to rise in value up to 1025.56. The daily time frame shows us also 1010.73 is the next resistance. If the price makes a bullish breakout, 1033.42 is the next target. But we need to see how the day closes on a Monday and how the price will behave. The 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame will show much more clear information during the week, each day where the price is heading, and also what is the target on the daily basis. The daily time frame shows us much more bigger picture, but the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame will show much more details, like I have shown you before. This is shared with the traders, how the price behaves around these levels, and when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout, what is the target. This week I have shared these details, so the traders have been notified when the price makes a move and where it is heading. So if you would like to check that and receive also the same notification over email, you can join the traders community so you are informed on time. The link will be below in the description. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.